like and subscribe. And here we go. Just see what's going on. What? What? Papa! What? You okay?
What happened?
You okay?
Yeah, can't close them when people's working.
Sorry.
Okay. Whew. Man, that caught me on the shoulder.
What are you working on?
I was working on this barbecue grill, but now I'm gonna throw it in the dumpster. Forget the fried steak tonight.
What? Why?
You almost closed the garage door on me.
Man.
You think?
Alright guys, we're back after the incident. Here we go. Hopefully Papa's okay. And we'll see you in like 10 or 15 minutes. Bye. Alright guys, that's it for the day, and hopefully I think Papa's gonna be okay. His back hurts right now, and hopefully he's better. Alright. Roll the outro.